1821 when Philippines was discovered by Magellan. They were sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa atoll. The people made them very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done, because Castilla git at waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Maha Salvador met them, they were very happy. All people were baptized and built the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning about Catholic life. When Magellan visited Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore and dragged Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, order his men to come a pledge. Mactan Island they could not grab, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began at dawn, bolas and spear versus guns and cannon. When Magellan was sitting on his neck, he stumbled down and cried and cried. Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor very quick. And doctor, doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry. Philippines has a great history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city that import from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Ampari, Ilocos Sur, Ilos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we have 3 islands more: Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon. They down to Visayan shore, famous for fish, sugar, coconut, and corn. Ay inoy, 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 ini, Cebu, Mactan, Mandawi. Ay inoy, 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 ini, Bohol, Samar, Leyte. Ay inoy, 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 ini, Iloilo, Capiz-Saclan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mamao, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, Grande Oro, Iligan, Osamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao, Davao Sur.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now, patay pa rin sa marunong ay sponsor ito yun.
Alibot.
Sponsor na yung sponsor na
Alibot.
Ato, nagkatanan ni Juan Luis Ober. Music ako, Mirador.